Kung naghahanap ka ng best life insurance plan and that can secure your kids' future, yung pwede nilang gamitin for tuition sa college, for personal expenses, and even for the retirement fund, then I want to introduce to you the Sun Secure Income. So bakit ko nga ba nasabi na the best ang life insurance plan to for your young kids if gusto mong i-secure ang future nila? Well, ang life insurance na to ay may guaranteed 6% cash benefit na marireceive ng insured per year starting after 6 years ng policy. Let's say
Wow!
for example, 1 million ang basic coverage ng insurance plan, ang marireceive ng insured ay 60,000 pesos every year yan hanggang mag 100 years old siya. May options ka rin na iwan lang to kay Sun Life para mas mag-accumulate pa as the years go by. Bukod pa dun, meron din tong 200% life insurance coverage, bali 2 times ng basic face amount mo. So kung 1 million ang life coverage mo, ang total face amount na matatanggap ng beneficiary ay 2 million pesos. By the way, ang life insurance plan na to ay payable for 5, 10, or 15 years fixed payment term. Last but not the least, ang plan na to ay may centenarian bonus kung saan pwede mong i-advance ang 25% basic face amount mo at the age of 80, 85, 90, at 95 years old para ma-enjoy mo ang life insurance mo habang nabubuhay ka pa. If you're interested about getting a life insurance, message mo lang ako at ako na ang bahala sa'yo.